Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Photos, pick the picture, and tap Edit so every change is non-destructive. First, crop and straighten to frame your subject. Pick an aspect like 16, 9 or 4, 3 and use the grid to align horizons. Once framed, go to Adjust and nudge exposure, highlights, and shadows in small increments. You're shaping tonal balance now. Make subtle shifts, think +0, 3 or -0, 5 stops, so detail is preserved and the image stays natural. Once the base exposure is set, move into tone and color to refine mood. Tweak brightness, contrast, and black point to increase depth, then adjust saturation or vibrance to control color intensity without clipping. Make temperature and tint shifts to correct skin tones or set a warmer feel. If your iPhone offers selective tools, apply them to eyes, sky, or foreground to dodge and burn that draws attention. Use filters only as a finish. Blend at low strength so the edit feels intentional rather than applied. Finish by adding sharpening and definition to recover micro detail and a subtle vignette to focus the eye. Reduce noise if high ISO introduced grain. Once satisfied, duplicate the image before experimental edits so you keep an original. Export or share using the size and quality you need for web or print. If color shifts, banding, or artifacts show up, revert to the original or switch to the duplicate and redo steps with gentler sliders. That single troubleshooting move saves a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.